I know you see the title and the thumbnail, and let's just go ahead and get right into it. We are here to unbox COTA Skincare. What's up, family? Welcome back to another video here at SteveVon and Britt. If you are new here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button to join our family, and go ahead and hit the notification bell so you're notified when we post new videos. Also, if you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button because it really does help us to know the type of content that you guys like for us to create. So I know you see the title and the thumbnail, and let's just go ahead and get right into it. We are here to unbox COTA Skincare. I talked about it before during Vlogmas. I'm here in front of the camera, barefaced, like just getting up. So I know I want to wash my face now because, you know, it's the beginning of the day. So I didn't want to try to put on any brows or anything like that. I just came on here barefaced, and I'm gonna unbox this and immediately wash my face. So one thing that's a goal of mine, obviously for those of you who are new to our channel, I have what is called PCOS, Polycystic Ovarian Syndrome, and there's different symptoms that come with having this. One of them that I suffer from, besides obviously everybody knows infertility that follows our journey, is the acne, PCOS acne. And so I have always been trying to find a skincare regimen that works really well with PCOS acne. And I was using a particular brand that was natural, and it worked well for me, but I noticed it stopped working after a while. I don't know if my skin got used to it or what. So now I'm trying to get rid of, number one, hyperpigmentation, because I struggle with that. I have freckles, but some of this is hyperpigmentation. Another thing that I want to do is get rid of the breakouts. You know, I'm adjusting the way I'm eating, I'm upping my water intake and different things like that, making lifestyle changes, and I feel like this will just help, because I do realize that using a system is just a topical change when a lot of stuff is happening inward. So I'm making adjustments both inward and outward. So I hope to control the breakouts. I hope to get rid of the hyperpigmentation. And also, I have dry skin. I didn't always have dry skin. I used to have normal skin. And as I got older, now I'm in my mid-30s. I don't know if I look like it or not. I'm 34 right now, and my skin over time has just begun to get dry, you know. So I want to kind of help with that as well. One of my major goals, and you probably have seen it over time, is to be a part of the bareface movement. Like, I just want, like, I have already started it, even with my skin not being all the way like up to par of what people's standards are, like drop that skincare routine like type of vibe. But I don't want to wear makeup. Like, I don't want to wear, like, I'm all good with the good brow, a little highlighter and some mascara and a good lip, but I'm not trying to do the full face contour, eyeshadow, all the whole like I used to do that stuff. But I just don't want to do that anymore. I want to be happy in my own skin. I want to be barefaced. I want to encourage other girls that you can go barefaced and display your natural beauty. There's nothing wrong with makeup. I love it. It enhances what we have. But there's just something about that natural beauty, that skin, you know? So it's one of my goals to clear my skin and have that bare face beauty. Love that. So yeah, let's get right into the unboxing so that we can see what this COTA Beauty thing is all about. So while I unbox everything, I thought I'd let you guys know a little bit about the company. So COTA Skin is a female-owned and operated company based in New Orleans, Louisiana. Founder and CEO Brittany Ricard has always been passionate about recreating the skincare routine shared with her by her late brother. To commemorate him, she named her company using the abbreviations of his musician stage name, Chief of the Ave, COTA. The mission of COTA and the vision of COTA is to redefine skin standards for everyone by providing a routine like no other. To remain innovative within the skincare industry, committed to providing the perfect skincare regimen that targets all skin types. They believe that they are the new standard in beauty. So I wanted to let you guys know that this is not a sponsored post or an ad. This is just my personal experience with COTA so far, unboxing, and I just wanted to let you guys know a little bit of background behind the company. This is cute. A thank you for shopping with us and how to use. I love when they include the how to use it and QR code, but like when you tell me how to use a product, it just makes it that much easier and I'm not guessing. So I love that. All right, now I'm gonna open these boxes individually so we can get a look at the bottle, the size, all of that. So I'm gonna start with the CBD cleanser. All right, here we go, first impression. Ooh, nice, can y'all see that? There we go. That's the first thing, is the cleanser. It's a nice size bottle. It's about 2.5 ounces, a little over. So that's the cleanser. So let's go with the toner next, because I believe that will be the next step. Let's look. Okay, so you use the cleanser first, then the toner, the rose toner, and then the third thing would be the serum, and last would be the cream. Ooh, that is so pretty. Can y'all see that? Gorgeous. It's a rose petal toner. Like, it looks like it has the roses in there. So cute. Oh my gosh. That is satisfying. Look at those cute little petals. How cute is that? Oh, I love it. Okay, cool. I can't wait to use this. And it has like a spray. Little spray action, spray pump. And I forgot to show on the cleanser, it has like one of the pumps, the pump functions. Cool. Now the rose petal toner smells legitimate like rose, like roses. So good. All right, now let's go on to the next step, which will be the serum. I'm gonna open this one up, and here comes the serum. Ooh, gorgeous. Oh, I love that. 24 karat gold. Beautiful. Wow, and it has like the little flakes of gold in it. Gorgeous. I am so excited to try this, y'all. So there's the serum. All right, now on to step 4. The last step in the deluxe system, which I could have went with the 3-step system, but I chose to do the 4 steps because I wanted that serum. No, I think it's, what did I get extra? Oh, the toner, that's what it is. I wanted that toner to be in the package because it's just, for me, whenever I have a step in my regimen to tone, it's for me to make sure that I get all of that residual dirt, debris, if I'm wearing makeup, any makeup off, and make sure that my face is absolutely clean before I pack on any cream or oils that's gonna trap that stuff in. So that's essential for me. So now I'm gonna open up the cream, which is the last step to the system, or to the skincare set. Let's say it like that. There it is. That's it. And she has a pump function as well. So yeah. This is so exciting. Oh my gosh. All right, so everything is unboxed and we have seen the packaging, which amazing presentation. We have seen the products, but now it's time for the moment of truth. Let's try it. So today marks the beginning of the journey with these products, and I will track week by week how my progress goes. But before we get into that, let's go ahead and wash this face. So before I get started, actually, I have the system sitting here, the skincare, COTA Skincare, but I also have a white towel here. This is good to make sure your face is completely washed. There's no residue left behind after you're done cleansing. Then this here, my cotton rounds, are for my toner. I like to get in there with the cotton rounds and make sure there's no residual dirt, makeup, or debris left on my face. So let's go ahead and get started with step 1. I'm gonna go ahead and wet my face with warm water. Okay, now I'm gonna take the cleanser. There it is. All right, that's the consistency of the cleanser. A little goes a long way. I like to hit that forehead is a problem area for me. It feels really good. It's nice and soft. It doesn't have a scent. Yeah, I love this. It's like, it's really foaming with little. That was a little bit. I wanted to start out small to make sure I didn't have to build it up. So now I'm going to rinse this off and go to the next step. Sorry about the fan noise. It's connected to the light. I can't turn them off, so it's just loud. So that's it for that. I'm going to take my towel and just go ahead and dry my face off a little. Not white, but just pat. Go ahead and pat my face. Not completely dry, but because I'm going to go back in with the toner, which is also a wet product, so it doesn't have to be completely dry. All right, so now let's do the toner. Shake it up and get my cotton round. I'm just going to spray it. A few pumps and got it really saturated. Now I'm going to just go in upward motions. I try to go in upward motions. It smells so good. Upward motions because of gravity and aging. The more you pull down, the more you will create sagging, wrinkles, all that. At least that's what I hear. I don't know how true that is, but I try to go in upward motions to help gravity pull her up, okay? Because she doesn't want to look old. Ooh, wait till y'all see this. This is why I use a cotton round right there. So gross. See that? That's why I use a cotton round, because I washed my face. Y'all saw me scrub it, but still all of that came off. Okay, so now that step is done, and I'm gonna fan her dry. Now we're going on to our serum. I imagine a little goes a long way, so let's just see here. Fill up the applicator and a little drop here, little drop here, little drop here. I always like to get my chin. Let's see if this goes a long way, or will I need to add to it? All right, so okay. It's not oily. I thought it was gonna be like an oil serum, because that's what I have used in the past. With more like a gel-like consistency, like a thin set gel. Has no scent, but feels good. A little does go a long way. I might have used too much. Awesome, that's it for that. And the last step is the CBD cream. I had no idea that the cleanser and the cream were both CBD products, which I'm all for. Has another pump-like function. This is the last step to lock in everything. And I got that much out right now. We'll see if we need to add to it. I'll just hit right here. I always do like this little, hit all the parameters on my face and then spread it out. So let's see how it feels. Because I was using a natural skincare line, I'm used to more oily products, and these products are not oily at all, but they still feel amazing. I'm gonna use a little more just because my skin is dry, as I said earlier. So naturally I just feel like I need more because my skin is so dry. So here is another little dollop, a dollop of Daisy. Let me spread that out. Upward motions, people. Upward motions. And that's it. All done. Also, this last product doesn't have a scent as well, so that's cool. Little fragrance, because fragrance actually can wreak havoc on your hormone system, or your hormones. So I'm glad it doesn't have a lot of fragrance, but I'm feeling good. So I'm gonna jump back to you guys and give my final impression without all the fan noise. So my final thoughts on the skincare regimen is that it's amazing. Like, so far so good. It's just a first impression. It felt good. There was little to no fragrance, which is good for your hormonal system. It felt good. It feels light. Barely feels like I'm wearing anything. I did put on, do my brows, and I did put on some highlighter and a little chapstick or whatever, but yeah, like, I can't wait to see the results of this. The way I'm going to use this regimen is I'm going to do, wash first thing in the morning, obviously, and then I'll wash my face again at night. So 2 times a day, and we'll track our progress. So come back here every week for an update video. I did take before and after pictures so that we will be able to see the progress over time. And yeah, if you found this video helpful, go ahead and hit the like button and feel free to share it with somebody who may need this information, especially my PCOS sisters. Thank you so much for watching. Hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace.